What's up, Nathan Stroud Tuckers? Today, it's me, Nathan, and today I got some gifts in the mail for my birthday. This one I already opened, and tomorrow's my birthday. So, this is an air raid siren. So, let's go look in it. Alright, so here it is. It was the wrong one that my grandmother ordered. Hold on. There. Here it is. Let me show you. It's a hand crank. So that means you have to crank it like a hand crank generator. And I'm going to show you how it works. It's nighttime, so that's why I'm doing it quiet. So if you can see in there, there's something that spins. That's called the impeller. And takes air, shoots it, chops it up, shoots out these holes. That's all for today.